If you're looking for a straightforward way to reimburse employees for travel expenses, Navan might be exactly what you need. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use Navan to handle employee travel expenses seamlessly, saving you time and eliminating unnecessary hassle. Stick with me until the end, and I'll even show you how to access an extended free trial to try it out yourself. Navan simplifies the process of reimbursing employees by offering a smooth, automated way to track and approve travel expenses. You can set specific rules for what qualifies as a reimbursable expense, and employees can easily submit receipts and expense reports through the platform. The system's intuitive interface helps managers quickly review and approve these reports with just a few clicks. One of the standout features of Navan is its ability to integrate with corporate cards, which means you can automatically track and categorize expenses in real time. This reduces the back and forth emails and paperwork that often comes with manual reimbursements. Instead of spending hours sorting through receipts or manually entering data into spreadsheets, Navan does it for you, making everything much more efficient. Another key benefit is that Navan provides full visibility into spending across the board. This is especially useful for businesses that need to manage travel expenses for multiple employees or teams. You can quickly generate reports that show how much each employee or department is spending, and easily spot trends or areas where costs can be reduced. This level of transparency can help you make smarter financial decisions while ensuring that all reimbursements are accurate and up to date. For employees, the process is equally as simple. They can submit their travel expenses through the app and even upload photos of receipts directly from their phone. This means no more lost or forgotten receipts, making it much easier to keep track of expenses on the go. Employees also get real-time updates on the status of their reimbursement requests, which creates more transparency and reduces the frustration of waiting for approvals. But here's where it gets really interesting. By using Navan, your organization can not only streamline reimbursements but also maintain complete control over your travel policy. Navan lets you set customized approval workflows, ensuring that all expenses go through the right channels before being reimbursed. Whether it's senior management or finance teams that need to approve certain types of expenses, you have the flexibility to create a workflow that suits your specific business needs. Now, you're probably wondering how much this all costs. Well, the great thing is that you can access this powerful software completely free through our exclusive link below. That's right. Try out Navan and see for yourself how much time and energy it can save your business without any upfront investment. Remember, with Navan, you're not just simplifying reimbursements, you're also making your entire travel expense process more transparent, efficient, and under control. If you want to dive deeper into how it can fit your business's needs, click the first link below for your extended free trial. This offer is exclusive and won't last long, so be sure to take advantage of it while you can. In conclusion, Navan is an excellent tool for anyone looking to streamline the travel reimbursement process. Whether you're an employee who wants an easier way to submit expenses or a manager trying to stay on top of the company's spending, this platform has you covered. Don't forget to grab your extended free trial by clicking the link below and start simplifying your travel reimbursements today.